Okay, so I have the inner ring fragment loaded into SAMSON. It's just a little chunk of diamond. Right now we're looking down the 111 plane. It's always the easiest to identify because there's these hexagons with little atoms or eyes in the center. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is once you have it loaded, go into edit mode and we're going to first of all align it with the origin. It didn't move. I might wait. Oh, let me select it. Align with the origin, and then we're going to align it with the z-axis. And let's straighten it up and look directly down it. Okay, so for this ring, uh, these atoms represent kind of the walls of the ring. So this might be the outside, this might be the inside. These bonds going across, that's the inside of the ring. So we're actually going to want to rotate this. So we'll just go to rotate and rotate it so that the walls are kind of along the x-axis, because when we extrude it as a ring, by default the center of the ring is going to be along the positive x-axis, somewhere over here. Of course you can move that, you can change that, but we're not going to get into it for this tutorial. So let me look. Yeah, yeah, looks pretty good. Maybe. Okay, so we'll select it and we'll go into this. I would call it extruder's ring, but it's create circular pattern here in SAMSON. So we do that, and this is what I mean by the center of the ring is along X. Let's expand it a little bit so that we're basically looking at how these atoms here overlap. Where they overlap, they will eventually be merged after the extrude operation is complete. And yeah, the inner ring has 26 cages or repeat units. I've been practicing. This isn't the first time I've done this tutorial, so I already had it set at 26, but you can change that. Let's maybe just drag it a little bit more. Okay, so it looks like we got pretty good overlap here. Let's take a look at the side. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, so we'll just confirm the operation. Rotate. Looks pretty good. Okay, so we'll select it. Now let's hydrogenate it. So select it. We're still in the edit mode, and we'll add hydrogens. Oh, wait. So you don't actually want to be in the extrude when you do that, because now it's going to try to extrude a ring of rings. So just get out of there. And we've added the hydrogen. Looks pretty good. So that's the inner ring of the bearing. The outer ring is created the same way. There's just instead of 26, there's 40 cages or repeat units. So we'll leave that as an exercise for the viewer. Thank you.